So here's how to change password in Roblox. As you can see, we're now in the Roblox homepage. Make sure that you're logged in to your account. From here, what you need to do is click on More from the left panel. On this page, you will get to see multiple options. Click on Settings. After that, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Now, go ahead and click on the first option, which is Account Info. Then, you need to wait for it to load up. Once you're here in the Account Info page, you'll be able to see your information like your display name, username, and right below it, your password. So click on the Edit icon on the right side of the password option. Now, just enter your current password. I'll go ahead and type it in. So once you're done putting in your current password, go over to the next section, which is New Password. So type in your new password that you want to set and confirm it by putting it in again. Once you're done, just click on Update. After that, your new password will be set. And that is exactly how to change password in Roblox.